Did you know that the brain is the main obstacle to success? Each person is not limited by external factors such as economic situation, opportunities in the country where they live, and financial problems. They are just excuses that neurons are used to giving. Imagine if you could reprogram your brain immediately, getting rid of the negative thoughts that prevent you from thriving. It is common to think that it is difficult to escape poverty if you were born into a family with few resources. However, it is possible to completely change your life. If you change your mindset to one of success and abundance, you will see astonishing results. Neuroscientist Andrew Huberman knows what it takes to radically change the course of your thoughts and transform your life. He shares his scientific findings in a clear and accessible way, proving how certain behaviors and habits can influence our chances of success. Huberman found that just 20-30 minutes of exposure to sunlight can have a major impact on taking control of your life. Additionally, consuming omega-3 fatty acid found in fish oil can be beneficial for brain function and overall success. He has developed a 9-step algorithm that can lead anyone to a new level of life just by acting regularly and with determination. This algorithm is based on elemental actions that anyone can perform to improve their quality of life and achieve success. If you want to learn more about Andrew Huberman's findings and how to apply his algorithm to achieve success, you can keep watching the video. Huberman's popularity has been rapidly growing thanks to his ability to simplify complex concepts of neuroscience and show how they can be applied in everyday life. To activate your neuroplasticity, it is necessary to stimulate the brain through new experiences. One way to do this is by mobilizing your consciousness, which can be achieved through a quick blood saturation with adrenaline. An effective technique is the use of a special breathing apparatus, performing 20-30 breathing cycles, deeply inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth, followed by breath retention for 25-60 seconds. This leads to frontal lobe activation and adrenaline release. Practicing this daily can help reconnect the brain, allowing you to quickly complete tasks with focus and efficiency. The key is learning to concentrate your attention on the task at hand. This can be done by focusing on an object for 30-60 seconds, such as a picture frame or a flower, to stimulate neural pathways and the transmission of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. Over time, you will notice an improvement in the clarity and speed with which you focus on specific tasks. Repeating this practice is essential, not only for memorizing information but also for developing proficiency in important work skills, such as negotiations with foreign partners. Making mistakes is part of the learning process and can mobilize important neural connections. The most successful people understand that mistakes are opportunities for growth. Therefore, it is essential to repeat and practice consistently, as this is key to achieving success in your career and personal endeavors. Don't be afraid to fail, as that's where the most useful lessons can be found. Next time, you'll be better prepared for success. If you agree, leave your like. Starting a notebook with goals is an important step. 22,000 people have already succeeded. Let's reach 25,000 likes, showing our courage. Taking short breaks during your activities is essential. Studies show that short breaks can accelerate learning. It's important to rest every 90 minutes to maintain concentration and avoid burnout. Rewarding yourself for work done can increase your motivation, but rewards should be unpredictable to be effective. It's also important to have a balance between work and rest to quickly and correctly shift your brain. Finally, having clear and consistent goals can lead to success. With effort and following these tips daily, you can achieve your goals, whether it's becoming a business leader or achieving financial prosperity. Continuing your daily practice of focusing can lead to enhanced cognitive abilities, empowering you to tackle challenges with confidence and precision. Embracing mistakes as stepping stones to growth fosters resilience and adaptability, crucial traits for navigating both professional and personal realms. Remember, consistency breeds success, and taking strategic breaks maintains mental stamina. So, keep honing your skills, embracing the journey, and rewarding your progress along the way. Success awaits those who persist with purpose and resilience. Share your ambitions and desires in the comments. We're interested to know. Together, we can achieve greatness. Subscribe on our channel, and until next time.